You want to make money uploading photographs of your own stuff laying around the house and get paid worldwide? Well, stick around and I'll show you how. Hey YouTubers, how's it going? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. This is Danish from Affiliates Den. Before we get into the video, I would appreciate if you could subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell for any update in case of my future video releases. Now about this video, well, I said I'm going to show you, rather introduce you to an app which will let you upload photographs of your stuff that you already own and get paid. Simple as that. What app am I talking about? It's called MicroWork. Yes, sirree, MicroWork. It's simple. It's available on Play Store as well as iOS. What do you call that? iOS Market? No. God. Well, you know, the iOS store as well. Apple Store. Yeah, sorry. What's wrong with me? So you just need to download this on your cell phone and start taking pictures of stuff that you already own. And it's pretty simple. Just you can check out the steps right over here. Download, sign up, complete your first task. How? Fill in a profile survey and complete a photo test. Add your Ether address. Yes, they do pay in Ethereum, which is a cryptocurrency. If you're not aware of it, you need to do some research, and it's really easy. It's you can own Ethereum anywhere in the world. All you need to do is create an electronic wallet, an cryptocurrency Ethereum electronic wallet, and you can have Ethereum transferred to that wallet address. Get paid in Ether. We pay you as soon as your task has been approved. There's no waiting. That's a good thing. Get paid in Ether and withdraw the moment you reach $1 in earnings. So the minimum cap to withdraw is $1. Earn and get paid right now. It's easy and simple as that. Now, what are the tasks? What kind of tasks are we supposed to perform? Photos. Be the teacher. Take photos of everyday items to help train artificial intelligence to see. Snap pictures of logos, clothing, furniture, and more. So nothing complicated. What else? Fashion. Do you live and breathe fashion and you have an eye for these latest trends? Snap photos of your outfits, dream bags, your killer shoes collection, and so much more. So these are simple tasks, people. You just need to take photographs, upload them, and you get paid. Now, how much do we get paid? Well, let's see what we have here. The MicroWork app is for earning extra money in your spare time. Well, this is something which I was about to say. This is not going to make you a millionaire or make you quit your job or anything. No. It's just for some extra cash at the end of the month. To buy something that you normally don't buy by the end of the month. So you can earn anything from 5 cents per photo on some tasks to sometimes several dollars on others. There are always a number of tasks available on the app, and users have sometimes earned $80 plus in a single week, depending on how much time they spend on the app. So the amount you earn depends on the amount of time you want to put in. That's pretty fair. And the good thing is they don't run out of tasks, because mostly the survey sites and different other sites with the tasks are not very long lasting when it comes to tasks. I mean, you sign up and in the beginning you get like 10-15 tasks, you make some money, and after a week or so you'll stop getting any tasks because you burn your self out, you burn your account out, and they stop giving you tasks until you just wait for them to give you another task, and by that I mean you get 1 or 2 tasks after like 4 or 5 days, and it's just not really lucrative. Well, neither this is, but still, it's a good thing that they don't run out of tasks. That's a positive thing. And it's like I said, it's available on on Play Store as well as Apple Store. So let's see what reviews we have. We have 3.5. It's not that bad. It's, since it's a very new app. So it's a great app. It's, easy task, fast reviews of work, and also good in the sense of its transactions. But the problem is that they give Ethereum, so I'm an Indian citizen. For me, it's hard to use my earned money. But instead of this, thank you so much, Microwork team. I want more tasks. Well, the thing is, whether you're from India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh, you can always open your wallet in Ethereum, my Ethereum wallet, and it's an online wallet. And as soon as you get your Ethereum, you can have them converted on Coinbase. And there are other websites as well. I can't remember their names right now, but it's not as complicated as it used to be. You can have your crypto converted to your local currency through these websites. Okay, what else we have here? Blackthorn, been a long time, been a long while since I used an app that really pays. When I say pays, I mean it pays in just a matter of hours, minutes even. Pay is good, and the tasks are so enjoyable to do. So I've heard some good stuff about this app, and so far what people have told me personally as well, not just reviews, reading reviews from here, is that it does pay fast. You just need to reach $1 in your account. Sorry about those messages. You just need to reach $1 in your account, and easy peasy. Just you get your money. Now, as I was referring to the part where you're supposed to make your Ethereum wallet. Yep. My Ether wallet. This is the place you create your Ethereum wallet, and you just need to share. You just need to share the wallet address with Microwork app, and as soon as you reach $1, they transfer Ethereum equivalent to $1 into your Ether wallet. So that's pretty much it, and it's a very simple yet effective application. Now, but like I said before, and like Microwork explained, if you do, you will not regret to invest time in those links. The first link is it's for a free webinar by a very well-known entrepreneur, online entrepreneur, who shows you the nitty-gritty and depends on how. Well, it really depends. It's how long it takes. Sometimes you can spend 50 minutes to learn how to be a free human being. It's not much. So you do that. Support my channel. I'll release more videos in this week. Maybe and support my channel and hit the like button, leave comments, tell me about your experience with this app, and yeah, do that. Good luck to you. Bye.